If you liked everything about the OSIGHT XR except the charging hood, then you're going to love this new OSIGHT XE AMRS. This was sent over to me by OSIGHT to make this video. Without further delays, let's jump right into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box. Obviously, you're going to get the red dot. You also get a protective hood for it. You're going to get a complete screw kit, a multi-tool for installing and setting the zero. You get a spare battery compartment screw, user manual, lens cleaning cloth, a zeroing guide, and some stickers. Here's the moment y'all been waiting for. This is a close-up look at the OSIGHT XE AMRS. This is a closed emitter red dot on the RMR footprint. So if you're familiar with OSIGHT's product line, you may have seen the OSIGHT XR. That is the rechargeable red dot that has the hood for it. Some people like the hood, some people don't. OSIGHT wanted to give the option. Now they have this one here with a changeable coin style battery. So it's the exact same red dot as the OSIGHT XR, now with a changeable battery. So I've got the OSIGHT XR mounted on a G20 Gen 5, and these here fit perfectly. They work perfectly. And now this here is an option that doesn't have the hood, just with the battery. So let's go over a quick overview of some of the controls, and then we're going to take this out to the range. So basically, guys, you got two buttons here for increasing and decreasing the brightness on your reticle, as well as for changing the reticle itself. This here is a 5 reticle red dot, just like the OSIGHT XR. You've got a 2 MOA dot, 6 MOA dot, and a 32 MOA circle. You've got the collapsible rear backup sight. So you push that button there, and these rear backup sights pop up. You can co-witness that with your suppressor height front sight. And if something were to happen to the red dot itself, you got these here backup sights as a backup to your sighting system. You've got your flush mounted turret, so you set your zero and you don't have to worry about disturbing your zero when you're out running and gunning. These here are flush mounted, and you do have to intentionally move those to change the settings there. Obviously, you've got your removable battery here. Take the screw out, pop the tray out, change the battery out. These batteries last a long time, guys. So most people that run these red dots basically have like an annual cycle that they'll change the battery out just to make sure that there's a fresh one in there. But these things here are rated for thousands of hours, and so having that battery in there, you're going to go a long time on a single battery. You got the aspherical lens, so there's going to be distortion free, parallax free, and all that good jazz. It's coated. This is an IPX7 waterproof red dot, guys, so you're going to be able to use this out in the elements. This here is an aircraft grade aluminum. It's durable. Other guys have torture tested these here. I don't do torture testing, but I run one of these here on a G20 Gen 5, and I have no problems carrying this here out in the elements. So let's take this thing to the range now, guys, so that you can look through the glass and get a clear picture of the reticle. See if that's right for you. 2 MOA dot. 2 MOA dot circle. 6 MOA dot. 6 MOA dot circle. Circle only. So there you have it, guys. If you were wishing for an OSIGHT XR without the charging hood, now you got it in the OSIGHT XE AMRS. I hope this was helpful.